Do you want to ignore phone calls from any specific person or group without blocking them on iPhone? If your answer is yes, then watch this video. In today's video, I will show you 2 advanced methods. By following these, you can ignore any phone calls without blocking them. So, let's get started. Method 1. Turn on the Silent Unknown Caller option. Open Settings, scroll down, find out the phone app, tap on it, scroll down, tap on the Silence Unknown Caller option, and toggle on the option. An unknown call will stop coming. Note, this only works for your phone contacts. If you want a permanent solution, then try our next method. Method 2. Make a custom Do Not Stop profile. Open Settings, scroll down, tap on Focus. Here you can see the plus icon in the top right corner. After that, tap on Custom, and now enter any kind of profile name, and you can also choose a profile color. After that, tap on Next, then tap on Customize Focus. From here, you can choose people or apps for the customization. In this case, tap on People, then tap on Add People. Here, you can get the contact list. Now select an individual or multiple people to ignore, and tap on Done. Now tap on Next, and finish it by following the instructions. And now enable this profile. Simply slide down. In the Do Not Disturb mode section, enable you to customize your profile, and calls will be stopped from these specific contacts. So this is how you can ignore phone calls from a specific person. If you found this video helpful, then please drop a like, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.